Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by removing the ear cushions and exposing the screws. Use a soft pry tool to avoid scratching the shell. Once the screws are out, keep parts organized in labeled trays so reassembly is straightforward. You should visually inspect the battery, speaker, and ribbon cables for corrosion, burn traces, or broken solder joints. If you find glue or brittle plastic at the hinge, note it now. It guides whether you need 3D printed parts or adhesive repair later. You next power down and disconnect the battery before touching the PCB, safety first. Desolder the battery tabs if it's soldered. Use low wattage and a wick to prevent board lift. Once free, fit the replacement battery or driver, aligning pads and connector orientation. Incorrect polarity or wrong impedance will damage the amp. When reattaching flex cables, make sure the locking clip is fully seated so contacts meet. Once components sit correctly, use minimal low-temperature adhesive to stabilize parts without obstructing ports. You now reverse the teardown. Align shells, seat cables, and tighten screws with steady pressure so plastic isn't stressed. Once assembled, charge the headphone fully to allow the battery management system to recalibrate. Then run a sequence of test tones and voice calls to verify left/right balance, bass response, and mic function. If something fails, power off and inspect solder joints and ribbon seating. Make sure the battery reads expected voltage and continuity across switches before concluding the repair. This prevents repeat disassembly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.